Hello, this is davidji, and welcome to today's meditation. Let's find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Let's gently feather our nest. Remember, comfort is queen. And as you nestle in, take a long, slow, deep breath in. And gently let that go. Allow your eyelids to gently float closed, and together, let's take another long, slow, deep breath in. And gently release that back out. And now just watch your breath as it flows in and as it flows back out. The secret to meditation is to gently drift back and forth, drifting ever into stillness, ever into silence, ever into that space between your breaths, between your thoughts, between your words, and between your actions. The slower we breathe, the slower the world around us spins, until we get to that point where the world comes at us in slow motion. So let's see how slowly we can actually breathe. Through your nose, let's take a long, slow, deep inhale to the count of 10. We can start by exhaling. And now slowly through our nose. Now slowly let it go to the count of 10. Again, into the count of 10. And release to the count of 10. And now let's practice some quiet, continuous breathing. We'll breathe in through our nose, but totally silently, and so slow that the inhale flows into the exhale, and the exhale flows back into the inhale, silently, quietly, seamlessly, and continuously. Let's begin. The only way to truly do this is to breathe so slowly that no sound is made, and your inhale becomes a part of your exhale, and back into your inhale. As you continue this process, now paint a ribbon of breath in the shape of an infinity sign laying on its side. Just watch your breath move through that infinity sign. You may even paint it with a particular color, flowing ever so slowly, seamlessly, where the inhale flows into the exhale, and the exhale flows back into the inhale, like a ribbon of breath in the shape of an infinity sign. this point, you've slowed your heart rate. You've slowed all activity in your body. You are the stillness inside the storm. You are the silence deep within. And now let's take it deeper. We use a mantra, the ancient mantra, Ayam, Atma, Brahman. Ayam, Atma, Brahman. Ayam, Atma, Brahman, which means my soul and the universal spirit are one. Ayam, Atma, Brahman. Ayam, Atma, Brahman. Say it once out loud with me. Ayam, Atma, Brahman. And now whisper it with me. Ayam, Atma, Brahman. And now repeat it silently to yourself and continue to repeat it silently over and over and over. As you repeat the mantra, it may change. It may get louder or fainter, faster or slower. It may become jumbled or distorted. However it changes, don't resist. At a certain point, you'll realize you've stopped repeating Ayam, Atma, Brahman. And then ever so gently, drift back to it. Keep drifting back. And this meditation, like all meditations, will be a gentle drifting back and forth. When we are in this place of pure stillness and silence, the personal soul that rests deep within us and the universal spirit which rests in all things begins to merge. And through our gentle repetition of the mantra, we become one with all things, and the universe slows to a stop. And in that stop, the stillness and silence within merges with the stillness and silence of the universe beyond space, beyond time, and we experience pure present moment oneness. Ayam, Atma, Brahman. I'll watch the time, and when you hear my voice, just sit gently with your eyes closed. So let's begin. Sit gently with your eyes closed and let the stillness and silence settle in. Now take a long, slow, deep breath in. And gently let that go. Let's do that one more time. Long, slow, deep breath in. And gently release it. And let's seal our ability to connect to the divine, to merge with the present moment by chanting Om, the hymn of the universe. Take a long, slow, deep breath in. And when it feels comfortable, you can slowly open your eyes. You can look around at those who you shared this collective consciousness with. You can place your palms together, raise them to your heart, bow your head, and say namaste. I honor the divine light in you that's also in me. And when you're in that space, and I'm in that space, we are one. As you move throughout the day, as you feel the overwhelm of things outside of you, conversations, situations, circumstances coming at you faster than you'd like, simply slow yourself down, and the universe around you will slow as well. Stillness is at our very fingertips, and as long as we trust, we can access it in any moment. From the sweet spot of the universe, this is davidji. Keep meditating, and I'll see you in the gap.